it's close to, you're going to have the bigger bone, right? So this body wants to go this way, so you know some forces have to be going this way. So there will be intrusion here, extrusion. Okay. Or another way to visualize it is you put, even from before, there's like a few. So, but now, gradually it's become, like regular part of the curriculum. But till 15, 20 years ago, and even now, people still somehow struggle with some of these concepts. But till 20 years ago, I would say, it was only really the kinetic equal that spread to the word. But now it's book chapters and everything. So again, if you put an offset, so the reason I'm emphasizing on this, because this has a lot of utility, or can have a lot of utility, but only if you have a big interbracket distance. Now, if you're going from first premolar to second premolar to canine, that bracket is here, this bracket is here, there's nothing, you can't play. I think I learned from the previous patient, so I stopped the wire, at this point because I didn't want to over.